U MDC Katura u Bernard and Marak u Balongru u Presiden ke BJP hakas ni ublay la Dawa bantung Mardor ek jing Tohkit hala ke jing trade torti jong ke company ke basna ya ke PA Sangma Stadium ke company ke basna ya ke PA Sangma Stadium ke de ke company bamlar kam namar ba kene ke de ke sen ke baar baka Kynroh bala sna thamai jong ke stadium kan Khyllem tang hapo shibnai bala dep sna pura ong Bernard Marak hu Kynroh bala pha sha kilat bathai khubor.
Earlier, another wall has collapsed a few years ago, and I have filed an FIR, but no action was taken by the police. And now, again, another wall has collapsed, and this is the situation where the villagers are actually very apprehensive about how the works are being done. And there is a big tank being constructed up there, which also has a crack. And this the entire water supply has been damaged, and people are very apprehensive because this is becoming a threat to their life, because the entire wall seems to be very weak and it's not safe for the people who are residing here. The residents are very not happy with the work, and they want that the government should take this up immediately, and proper inquiry has to be done, and the wall has to be concrete wall, and the proper leveling and proper foundation has to be done.